All right, let's go see what we're looking at. So, looks like we've had breakfast. Dishes are there. Kitchen's looking pretty good. All right, let's get started. If you're watching this right now, it means you are on day number 5 of our 21 days to a clean home journey, system, whatever you want to call it. Today we are going to add a task that goes a little bit in the morning, a little bit in the evening, and a little bit just kind of whenever works for you. Dishes. So dishes, they're a part of everybody's life. You can't get away from them. If you're gonna eat food, you're gonna have dishes. I mean, I guess unless you eat at restaurants all the time, in which case you're very fancy. But if you're at home, like pretty much everybody right now, you're dealing with dishes. So for me, the dishes game really changed when I just finally developed a system. For us, that means doing dishes right after meals, having the whole dishwasher full and going at the end of the night, and then unloading it first thing in the morning. This way I have an empty dishwasher for the whole day to fill up with our dirty dishes and a nice clean kitchen in the night. So have a look at your kitchen. It doesn't matter what it looks like right now. We're gonna start developing that dishes system. So yours might look different from mine. We have no problem filling a dishwasher, but if you're just one person at home, maybe you run it every 2 days. If you're 10 people at home, maybe you run it every hour. I'm not sure. So it's gotta work for you. Just establish a dishes system that's going to make sense in your life. All right, so let's get started. It's morning here for me. I'm gonna unload my dishwasher and then load up our breakfast dishes. Get into your kitchen, get what you can done right now, and start establishing a routine for your dishes. Having a clear counter and a kitchen that I can work in with all of my dishes clean and ready to use is one of the most important things to me, and something that helps me stave off that midday frustration when I'm trying to make dinner or cook meals. It's just so much better. So I always think of it this way. The dishes are going to have to get done anyways. You may as well get them done with a system that works for you. Last year, I rearranged my kitchen to make it super easy for me to unload the dishes quickly. I moved some of our main dishes into drawers and some of the stuff we're using all the time to cook with close to the stove. I found it really helpful to think ahead to how I use my kitchen and rearranged all of the drawers and cupboards to match what I was using and when. Okay, there we are. It's that easy. I usually unload my dishes while my kids eat breakfast or they're playing, or sometimes, you know, they're getting old enough, I get them to help me, which is awesome. I'm starting to see a little bit of the light at the end of the toddler tunnel. Anyways, get after some of your dishes right now and then do your best to establish a system that leaves you with a clean, clear kitchen in the night. Then you can shine your sink afterwards, and a clean, clear dishwasher or a place to put your dishes during the day. So for me, that's my dishwasher, but for you, maybe you have a little bin that you keep them in under the sink. Just keep them out of the way. Clear counters mean you have a kitchen that's ready to cook in. So let's establish that routine for dishes and get them under control. Right now, I want you to get out your 21-day printable if you haven't already, and we'll check off day number 5. Okay, checking off day number 5, so dishes. We're also going to make the bed, do our 2-minute hotspot whenever you find time, dress to shoes, that's an easy one, and shine up your sink at the end of the night. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series, and let me know how you're making out with your progress.